me not in public. We're fine. Shh. She can't even hear us. We're fine. What are we supposed to do?
Never mind, it's time to go beat him anyways.
Alright, let's go. Yeah, boy.
Okay, let's check the money. Quinn, where the heck is the money?
I swear it was in the suitcase.
Well, obviously it's not here. You're stupid. I'm usually a much better judge of character. I trusted you.
What is that supposed to mean?
You lost $100,000.
Okay, that wasn't
No.
my fault.
Yes,
I
it
set
is.
it by the park bench, and literally, I don't know what happened. I swear I picked up the same suitcase.
They're different. How do you like do
Well,
that?
they're obviously not different. Look at it.
Now we gotta go fix your mess.
Okay, well, it must have been the girl from the park. Like, she was the only one who could have been. She must have switched suitcases.
Well, how are we gonna find her?
I don't know. She can't be far. She was just right next to us. Look, she's right over there. Where's the money?
What are you talking about?
The bag.
What bag?
Does this look familiar?
Okay, Rhino, Candy, where's our bag?
My bag.
It's my bag. Our bag.
That bag. I left it at the park where I found it. Guys? Guys? Can somebody untie me, please?